All right, so here we are, integer exponents practice. Right, most of these I think are going to be division problems. There's 4 of them. So the way this works, so I'm going to show you a problem, and I'm going to give you plenty of time to pause the video. Okay, pause the video, work the problem out, and then I'll show you the answer. If you get it right, skip to the next problem. If you get it wrong, stay tuned. So here we are, first problem, 9a cubed, 9a to the third divided by 3a. So this is where you pause the video, scribble on your piece of paper, see if you can work it out. Plenty of time, pause, you ready? Right, and answer is 3a squared. Get it right? Look down below the video in the comments. It'll tell you what time to skip to. Got it wrong? Stay tuned. Here's how we did it. All right, so the original problem, 9a cubed divided by 3a. First thing we got to do is look at the coefficients. Right, 9 divided by 3 gives us a coefficient of 3 for our answer. Right, next thing, look at your 2 variables, a. Right, both of them are a's. Move your a on down. Right, and then you need to look at your exponents. I got 9a cubed and then 3a. So what exponent should go there? If it doesn't have an exponent, you can always imagine there's a ghost 1. That's a fire drill. It'll be all right. So then we go 3 minus 1 is 2, and your answer 9a cubed. Oh, go back for a second. 9a cubed divided by 3a is 3a squared. Number 2, 16xy cubed divided by y cubed. Pause the video now. Work it out. All right, you should be done by now. Your answer is 16x. Way to go. If you got it right, you can skip ahead to the next problem. If not, here's how it's done. All right, so look at your coefficients. I've got 16 and then no coefficient, but we should know that that means the coefficient in front of y cubed is 1. 16 divided by 1 is 16. So that's our coefficient for our answer. Next step, x. There's no x on the other side, right? So what do? We can't divide x by an x that doesn't exist. So we just drag that first x on down. Right? And then our next variable, y cubed divided by y cubed. Anything divided by itself equals what? 1. We don't need to drag that 1 down. So our answer is going to just be 16x. Next problem, number 3, 12a squared b divided by 6b. Pause the video, work it out. Should be done working it out by now. And your answer here is going to be 2a squared. If you got it right, go ahead and skip ahead to the next problem. If not, stay tuned for how to work it. Right, so start with your coefficients, 12 and 6. 12 divided by 6 gives us a coefficient of our answer of 2. Right, our next step, look at our variables. I've got a squared divided by what? There's no a's on the right-hand side, which means what? That a squared just goes right down into our answer. And then we go to our next variable, b. Right, b divided by b is what? Anything divided by itself is just 1. We don't need to drag that 1 down. It means our answer is going to be 2a squared. Question number 4. 15x to the fourth y to the third divided by 3x squared y. This is where you pause the video. Work it out yourself. All right, moving on. You should have worked the problem out by yourself, and the answer is 15x squared y squared. If you got it right, I think that's the end of the video. If you got it wrong, stay tuned. Here's how I worked it out. All right, so starting off with our coefficients, I got 15 divided by 3 gives me a leading coefficient of my answer of 5. Right? First variable, I got x to the fourth divided by x squared. Right? Your exponent rules of division is that you subtract exponents. So 4 minus 2 gives me x squared. 4 minus 2 is 2. Going to my next variable, I got y to the third and y. Right? If there's no variable next on that, if there's no exponent on that y, what's its exponent? It's a 1. So 3 divided by 1 is 2. Brings down a y squared because 3 minus 1 is 2. Giving us an answer of 5x squared y squared. That's the end. Hopefully you got all 4 right. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Watch the video again. Hit exit. Go ahead. Where's my stop? I'm going to stop this video.